Joshua Vajda. I've been here at UCOR almost 2 years. I currently work in the Site Integration and Cleanup Group supporting the Oak Ridge National Laboratory as a project engineer. And most recently, some of the major projects that we've worked on that I've also been associated with is Building 3005, the building demo of the low-intensity test reactor, as well as 3042, which is the Oak Ridge Research Reactor segmentation work, which recently completed this fiscal year. I think what's interesting to me about working here, about the current job that I hold, is that it's very unique. Each building has its unique hazards. It's very custom. It's not really prescribed in sort of a process engineering role or a standard construction role. They have their unique interests and their needs as well, but I think with D&D, deactivation and demolition, the thing that I like is you have to be very creative, think outside the box, come up with creative solutions, unique solutions, along with the team, so we get a lot of input. I get a lot of input from the craft, also safety, RadCon, along with senior management. So to deliver on issues or problems that we see, I really enjoy doing that and being part of unique solutions, custom solutions. It's legacy buildings built 30s, 40s, 50s, and a lot of the design information isn't up to date. Sometimes it's hard to find technical information, functional requirements. We have some of it in certain buildings and it kind of varies across buildings and sites. So I find that to be very challenging in that we don't have all the information, all the technical information, so we have to make a lot of assumptions. I didn't start out as a nuclear engineer. I got my undergrad degree in chemical engineering and I was deciding on where I wanted to work, what I wanted to do. Early on, I got involved in the nuclear industry, started my career in Idaho at the Naval Reactors Facility, which has introduced me to nuclear energy, nuclear science, and I wanted to give back to that society and the industry in some meaningful way, so I joined the American Nuclear Society in 2010, and I actively participate in numerous standing committees, professional divisions, and the local sections. I enjoy credentialing and certifications. I've gotten involved in their special task force recently. They launched that in 2022, and I've been part of a core team that has been developing a national credential called the Certified Nuclear Professional. I worked previously at other DOE sites, worked out in New Mexico, worked at the WIPP facility, the Waste Isolation Pilot Plant. So I'm familiar with the DOE side of the industry. Coming here for UCOR, the thing that I find that I enjoy as well is the teamwork, especially all the different engineering disciplines that I work with. Outside of work, I do participate in several running events and obstacle training courses, obstacle racing courses, such as half marathons. I run half marathons. I'm getting ready to run my first full marathon here, and I've also done Spartan races. So I'm really into fitness, challenging myself from that perspective. I am a certified open water diver, and I also enjoy snowboarding from time to time if I can find a good mountain. One thing that's unique for me is I do have a twin sister, and she's an accountant, has a very interesting career, vastly different from myself as being an engineer going the technical route. So she's more involved in the business side of things. She lives in Pennsylvania. She has 2 daughters. So I've just got back, spent some time with her over the holidays, go and visit. It's very nice to go home, visit them. Also my grandfather. So I do spend time in central Pennsylvania to see my sister and my grandfather.